Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for white chocolate Swiss meringue buttercream. This is a lovely alternative to white chocolate ganache, and it's not quite as heavy. So let's get started.
Only simple ingredients. We need 4 egg whites, 1 cup or 200 grams of sugar, 1 cup or 250 grams of butter, a dash of salt, 200 grams of white chocolate melted and cooled. We begin by separating our eggs. We only need the egg whites. We are also putting the egg whites in a metal or glass bowl because we will be heating it over a double boiler in a moment. Whisk in sugar. Heat over a double boiler until the sugar no longer looks grainy and the mixture feels hot to the touch. Remove from heat and beat with an electric mixer until meringue is white, glossy, and room temperature. Add butter a little at a time, beating between each addition until fully incorporated. Add salt and beat until mixture reaches buttercream consistency. Add melted white chocolate and beat until fully incorporated. This buttercream is light and lovely as Swiss meringue buttercream generally is, but has a great white chocolate flavor which gives it the flavor of white chocolate ganache without the heaviness of ganache. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.